Okay, we're going to do the parabola and line question. Question number 7. We just finished 6. Now we're going to do question 7. Let's get started here. Okay, it starts with them telling us that this parabola, they've given it in intercept form, x plus 4 times x minus 6. So it's like x squared minus 2x minus 24. That'll be the standard form. But there it is in intercept form. And it cuts the parabola at B and D here. And the y-axis at G. So that's the y-intercept right there. There's its turning point at C. Now, the line AE has an angle of inclination of theta, they say, and it cuts the x-axis and the y-axis at A and E. Okay, that's the intercepts of the line, y-intercept and x-intercept. The last thing they say is T is a point on F between B and G. T is a point on the function on the parabola between B and G. Okay, the first question. Write down the coordinates of B and D. Well, that is so darn easy. That is so darn easy because those are x-intercepts. So if you know they're x-intercepts, then you let that equal 0. What would make y equal 0? Well, I'm looking at the answers. X is 6. So x is 6, or minus 4 plus 4 makes y 0. They asked for coordinates, so I have to write it 6 and 0 is D, and minus 4 and 0 is B. What makes y 0? The x-intercepts. Calculate the coordinates of C. Well, this is a parabola. I might cheat a little bit and know that C is going to be 1 because of symmetry between minus 4 and 6. If I add them together, minus 4 plus 6 and divide by 2, I'll get 1 right in the middle. Or you can use this very useful little formula. The equation of the axis of symmetry of the parabola is x equals minus b over 2a. Well, we multiply it out, put it in the form x squared minus 2x minus 24 minus minus b over 2 times 1. X is 1. There's the axis of symmetry, and it's the x coordinate of the turning point. To get the y coordinate, just put 1 back in here. 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 24. You get 1 and minus 25. Okay, the next question says, write down the range of f. The range. Well, when you see range, it's really saying, what are all the possible values for y, for this function, for the parabola? If they said domain, it would be all the possible x values. Hey, there's no restrictions on x. You can go as far as you like in either direction. But y, you can't go below this turning point. There's the turning point. So the range is y are greater than or equal to minus 25. Y can be any real number. Y is an element of the real numbers, but it's got to be greater than minus 25 because it never goes below like minus 26. That's not in the range. The range is all the possible values of y. And that's the first part of this question. It's a little bit longer, so I think we'll break it up into, we'll do another video for the second part. Okay.